Everybody says DoorDash is dead in 2025. No money, no orders, no point. But here's the truth. It's not about the app. It's about the hustle. I'm about to show you exactly how you can still win out here if you move smart. Let's get into it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Hit the like, subscribe button below, because I already know you're going to like this. Let's get into it. What's going on, y'all? Hope all you guys are doing well out there. Haven't spoke to you guys in a while. I've been busy working, trying to get things moving. You know, holiday season coming, trying to stay busy. Hope all you all doing the same. But I know what you guys are here for. You want to know if you can still make money with DoorDash in 2025. It's a yes and no answer. Here's why. You see the economy right now, right? Call it a spade. We see the government shut down. People aren't ordering orders like they used to. They're not tipping. So it's a down trickle effect, and it affects us drivers. So in turn, it makes these apps slow. There are a lot more upside down orders, a lot more jobs that are just not worth taking. So in turn, it's affecting everything around us. So that's why I said yes and no, because it's all based on two things, really: the economy and your market. I don't hear enough drivers talk about the market. The market, where you work, where you choose to work, where you live, that's super important with not just DoorDash, but any of these apps. When you are in busier metropolitan cities like New York, California, DC, you tend to make higher earnings in those areas compared to, I'm sure, Wyoming and places that are rural areas where they don't have a lot of restaurants as much as the cities do. That's not really based off of anything I've taught or on any tricks. You can't trick a market. It's either busy or it's not. So if you already in a slower market, with what's going on right now in the economy, I can only feel like it's probably really bad for you, and you just don't want to do any of these apps. I can't fault you guys for that. But I don't hear a lot of drivers talking about that. A lot of gig tubers talk about the market. Like, the market is super important, where you choose to work. Just that alone can either double, triple your earnings if you are in a busier market. But a lot of us don't have the option to go to those markets. We live where we live and we work where we work. So that is a main reason why, it's getting bad. These markets are oversaturated. These markets are just not as busy. Like I stated before, the economy is bad, so people aren't ordering like they used to. So when they don't order, we can't make any money, right? And also, with the shutdown, that's causing a lot of folks, federal workers who weren't getting paid, to start working these gig apps to try to make a little bit of money. So again, that goes to the saturation. So that all affects everything that goes on in this space, But that's why I'm adamant saying you can't focus on one app. You got a multi-app. That's the only way to make money these days out here. If you're still able to make money off of one app, congratulations. But for the most part, you can't do that anymore. You have to multi-app. You find which app that works best for you. Still have your DoorDash, your Uber Eats, your Spark. Just try to find which app in your area that pays the most. Try to work those apps and just stack them so you can double or maximize your earnings, because just doing it off of one app is just not the way anymore. You have to multi-app. Just no difference in doing multiple things outside of just gig work. Trying to find other ways to make money, having multiple streams of income. I know for myself, I enjoy daily fantasy sports and betting. So that's something I also do on the side. If you guys are into prop betting and you want the best prop betting tool, click the link down below. It's only $20. This thing is fire. It's helped me make a lot of money. So this tool is amazing. But I enjoy daily fantasy sports and I enjoy betting. So that's another income source that I have on the side. It's not putting all my eggs in one basket, you know. I diversify my income. I have my gig business, I have my medical courier business, and then I have my sports. So I just try to diversify myself, keep myself busy, and try to make money in as many avenues as I can. And you guys should do the exact same thing. Do not base everything you're doing solely off of these gig apps, because the day that they want to deactivate you, you're out of here. And I know, you know, you guys don't want to hear that, but it's just the God honest truth. These gig apps, they feel like they can control us, sending these bad offers over and over and over, just hoping that one of us take it. Don't take those orders. Don't take no bad orders, man. We have to try to change the game, and the only way you're going to affect change is by making a stand. Stop taking these bad orders, you know? But that's neither here or there. The game is the game. And if you want to play, you know, it's there for you. If you don't, you know. And if you're getting value from this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to further support the channel further, click the links down below. Buy me a coffee. I say all that to say, keep hustling, keep grinding, and don't let these inconsistent times in your life slow you down, because it can affect you all. And it affects me, and I know it affects all of you. These times have been crazy, and the instability of the economy and how things are, it can only, you know, mess with your mental. So stay strong with that, especially my men. It's okay to talk, man. Find somebody that you can talk to. It's hard out here in these streets, you know? And it seems like mental health is a problem out here. And we need to do a better job of expressing ourselves and being able to talk things out instead of going the other way, you know? But that's all I got for you guys today. It's your boy AD signing out. Oh yeah, the medical courier course coming soon. And if you guys need any help trying to maneuver in this gig economy space, medical courier space, hit me up in the emails, hit me up in the comments. Beat the comments up, man. Let me know I'm here to assist in any way that I can. I show love to my people, and my people show love to me. So it's your boy AD signing out. Until next time, peace out.